Hello, welcome to Mudiaz Academy. Today we have a math problem we have to solve. So right here we have 2x cubed equals 54. So this is exponential equation or initial equation, right? So when you are faced with this kind of problem, so there is a way you approach it, and that is what we are here to do today. Okay, so from my solution, I have. Please, before we start this, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please endeavor to do so and like and share my content as well. So let's proceed to give us what we need. For my solution, I have. So I have 2s cubed equals 54, right? So I'm just repeating the question, right? So I'm rewriting the question. So what do we have here? For us to know what this is, and if you look at the s cube, it has a coefficient. What I mean by coefficient, I mean a figure or a number attaching itself to a letter, right? So that's what a coefficient is. So what I have to do, I'm going to divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of what? S cube. So let's go. I have 2s cubed divided by 2 and 54 divided by 2, right? And if I do that, 2 is going to cancel that 2. And when it does that, s cubed drops equals to what? So, and 54 divided by 2 is going to give us, I'm going to say 2 going to 5 is going to give me 2. Remaining what? 1 out of 5. And add that 1 to the 4 behind 5 is going to be what? 14. Right? And 2 going to 14 is going to be what? 7. Right? So we say going to proceed. So right here we have s cubed equals what? 27. And what you're going to do right here, the cube on top of the s is going to cross the equality sign to the other side of the equation. And when it does that, it's going to form a curve on top of the what? 27. That's going to be what? Cube roots, right? So I'm going to have s equals, now s is not carrying anything because his power, which is 3, is going to cross to the other side and form a curve on top of what? 27. And it's going to be what? Cube roots of what? 27, right? So now we're going to look for what s is. How do we know that? Or how do we get that? I mean, so to get that, we're going to say, what is the cube root of 27? If you have a calculator, you could use it, or some people just know all the cube root or square root of any word number. But in case you don't know, there's a trick I'm going to show you right here, which you're going to use. This is very handy. So I'm going to draw a little chart right here. Right? I'm going to have 27. Right? Now I have 27. I'm going to look for a factor that can go into 27, which is what? 3. I'm picking 3, and I can go as well, but I'm looking for what? The lowest one, right? So 3 can go. When 3 go into 27, I'm going to what? Have 9. I have another 3 here going to what? Into what? 9. When it does that, I'm going to what? Have what? 3. And I have what? 3 again going to what? 3. I'm going to have 1. What it says here, look at it. They say what? Cube root of 27, because cube what? Simplify. So sorry, cube indicate what? 3. Or right? Cube mean what? 3, right? So I'm going to pick one of the 3 because it says what? Cube. I'm going to pick one out of the 3. The 3. This is 3 into 3. I'm going to pick one out of it, right? When I pick one out of it, the one I pick is going to be what? 3, because they are 3, 3, right? So that's going to be what? The value of s. Yeah, s is equals what? 3. This is the answer. Please, as I said before, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, endeavor to subscribe to support us, right? and like, and if there's any comments, leave it at the comment section below just for me to know how you feel about this word, mathematical equation. Right? Thank you so much for watching.